In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the water mixing valve. This is what you need to do. Disconnect the washer from the wall outlet and keep it disconnected. You will need to open the controls panel. To do that, you will need to use a potty knife. This is the way to disengage the holding clips that are holding the controls panel in place. You will need to push in with the potty knife to compress the clips. Then you could open the controls panel. To install the controls panel, put it in place and push down until it clips on. And this is the way to reinstall the holding clips if they come off while opening the controls panel. Put the clip in place and push down until it snaps on. Now that you know how, go ahead and open the controls panel. And lay it down on top of the washer, like this. Now you have access to the water mixing valve and you can remove it. Turn the water faucets off. Disconnect the two fill hoses from the water valve. Put some rags on the floor to catch any water dripping from the fill hoses. To disconnect the water valve harness, you need to push on these tabs to take it out. Go ahead and disconnect the water valve harness from the control board. You could use a needle nose pliers to compress the tab and pull it out. Just be careful you don't break anything. Now you need to remove the bad water mixing valve. Pull out these plastic wires holding plugs. You could use a needle nose pliers like this. Then remove these two holding screws. Now just remove the bad water mixing valve. Use the part number on the bad water mixing valve to order a new one. Put the new water mixing valve in place. And secure it in place with the two holding screws. And connect the water mixing valve wires to the control board. Install the controls panel in place. Screw in the fill hoses into the water valve, making sure that you connect the right water to the right side. Open the water faucets. Make sure that there are no water leaks from the hoses. And go ahead, try the washer to see how it works now. If you like the video, click on the subscribe button to be notified every time I make a new video. Thanks for watching. This is Angel the Appliance Man.